6. I said do not update. Do not update again. So the reason why maybe you updated the formula or something.
What I'm saying is when I created.
Or before, sorry, hold on. Sorry, sir. I'm coming. Let me finish. I'm coming. So maybe before you had calculated it, you are updated before you now convert it back to not being a table. Is that what happened? Or let me see, just update it again by yourself. So let's see. Update it yourself.
Check the total sum.
No, the total sum would have been different. You can do the total sum.
What I just did, change salary to.
No, this one would work. If you are changing it here, I'm adding more data. That's
after.
Yes, after the first one. Remember that we have highlighted it. So if you change anything here, it will still work.
Okay.
But if you add something to maybe here to not work. Okay. That's what I'm saying.
I want to remove data from the
Okay. Yeah. Come here. From this convert to image. You just do yes. So it's no more in the table.
Now you say
It's no more in the table.
And is it possible to remove a cell from the table?
And you delete a cell. If you want to
remove it from the table.
Let me see. So let's say you want to remove this cell, row or cell. Is it cell or row?
It's a cell.
And you just delete. Just press.
It's still inside the table now.
So that's what I'm saying. If you want to delete the row, so let's want to delete this row. You can just do something like this. Then I can do delete.
I know of this one. What I mean is that this is a data. And I want to remove this data from the group of the table. From the data.
Okay, you want to remove this Timothy Brewer and then the salary from the.
Leave the data as it is, but it's not linked to the table.
The
table goes together with the formula.
And so that's
attach it to the formula. To attach this particular cell from the formula.
And so that means you need to copy it out. Come and paste here. Come and paste here. And then go back here and then delete this. Delete this one down from here. So you just delete this. Just delete it. So it has left it, but it's now here. So you can't break a table in between. You can't break it in between. So you have to copy it. But this is not needed, sure. So I've returned everything back that I deleted. So that's, I don't know if that's what you want.
You want to know how to change this one on table. Now how to change
this one that is not in a table.
Yes.
Want change to not being in a table.
Yes, this one is in a table.
So I want to make it not be in a table. So just come here. But and then do yes. Then do yes. How are you? Oba. This is a microphone. Is it for children? No, it's for children. It's not. Exactly. Yes, you'll be an adult one day. Yes. Oh. You want to follow me? So are we good? Are we good? So I said one important thing we should know is how to actually create a table. How to make your data be in a table. So let me show you. Let's all look up. Because data by default in Excel is not always in a table. Are we together? Data by default is not always in a table in Excel. So you have to make your data be in a table yourself. Are we together? If you open a new worksheet now, If I open a new worksheet now, let me come to this plus sign. So if I'm typing here, this is not a table. It can't be in a table. It's just in a cell. If I click here now, you can see there's no table design coming up. So by default, anything you do in Excel is not in a table. So you have to make it be in a table yourself. Are we together? Are we getting it? Huh? So now let me show you how to create a table. Let me come back to this. This one I've made to not be in a table. So if I want to make it be in a table now, I will just come to anywhere inside of my data. I'll just do Control T. Control T. What's it showing you? Create table. Are we together? Control T. C for Toba. Control T. T for Taraba. I said click anywhere in your data. Click anywhere in your data and do Control T. Don't to highlight everything. Just click anywhere in your data. Do Control T. Do Control T. T. Sorry. Huh? Yeah. Hey, your data is not in the table now. So make if your data is in the table, it will not work. Take. For you. Yeah. So you have to convert it from being a table first. Now do Control T to work. What do you say? Are we together? So if you have not converted your table to being in a range, if you do Control T, it's not work because it's in a table already. Are we together? If your data is in a table and you do Control T, it will not work. So you have to make it not be in a table before you can convert it to a table. So I'm showing you how to create a table. Are we good? So have we done Control T? So you can just do OK. So my table has headers and then I do OK. Now, if you look at my formula now, it will probably update. Are we together? Huh? Yes, sir. How can you remove it from a table? I've shown you that. So if you want to remove it from a table, just come where you have table design, click on table design. You see our design. Yours may be design, yours will be table design. Are we together? I'm coming. So you see convert to range. And I now ask you, do you want to convert from the table to a normal range? I'll say yes. And if I click inside here now, it's no more a table. Are we together? Are we together? Okay. So once you've converted to a range, you can now make it a table by doing Control T. And okay. What's the challenge? Huh?
What?
You delete this. You don't need this. So, okay, he has answered the question. Okay. Are we good? Are we good? So we can move on. We can move on. So you've gotten the idea of a table and a range in Excel. Now understand why your data should always be in a table. If you want your data to update by itself, put it in a table at all times. And what's the formula for creating a table? Huh? Control T. Joseph, not the money quiz. You have the quiz, Abi. Okay, you shared with me yesterday. Is it that same one you shared with me yesterday?
The one I shared this one. I said
Abi, make it bitty. Or you can send it to everybody's email. Joseph, pay attention to yourself. So are we good? Let's look at something else in Excel. Any questions so far? I just showed you now. Put it back in the table. How can we put our data back in the table in Excel? Control T. Click anywhere and do Control T. So come back and then do OK. Okay, question. One house. So what's happening? Well, we are standing. It's distracting. Okay. For any analysis, any advantage. So of course, if your data is not, there's no advantage. There's no advantage. Because whatever it is your data not being in a table can do, the data in the table will do it. And even more. So there's no advantage of making your data not being in a table. There's no advantage. Any other question? Any question? Any question? No question, Abi? Okay.
I want to write down. This is the first other method, not the first method of calculation.
So this way to know because this table, look at this one's in the table. But this one, this is a separate table. This is another separate table. So what you should do is combine all these ones back to range. They should always be in a single table. Convert to range. Convert to range. Even convert this one to range so that we can now do a table afresh. Yes.
Now everything will become in the same.
Everything will be not be in a table. So now do a table now so you can pick everything together. So now do okay. So this one I can, and let me see if I should do Control E now. So, because it's not in a table, that's what happened. I work on bit now.
Yes,
You can use an assistant if you need anything, or you use my phone or something.
you saw you did something while it was table, and later you.
Yeah, so if it's not a table, so if you put another name now, maybe Fred, and then you update it now, so that this will not change. Everybody will not change. Total salary will not change. But I carry the same data now. I'm coming. Yeah. 10 is fine. So if I carry this data now, Yeah, put it here. I see that it has changed. Every salary has changed. High salary has changed. Everything has changed. But this one that is not in the table did not change. That's why it did not change. So that's why it should be in the table. So that when you update your data, it should automatically pick it up. But this one is in the table. You can see design in the table, so it will work. But this one will not work. That's what I did.
When you were talking of what else to show us, I was thinking of having a blank document, how to make it something like this. Having a blank big draw from the training program.
Those are. It's not something difficult. You may look at that maybe towards the end, but it's nothing difficult. It's just more like a shape kind of. Let me see. I think it's just more like I like seeing something like this. And I like something like this now. And then here now, and just put you get. So it's not something difficult. Okay? Just to highlight and then come to this view. I can even say it should be the overtake range should be white instead of black. So I use white. If I type today, so you can see, so it's just more like changing the default. So it's nothing difficult at all. What's the time? Okay, this is it. This is the huh?
I said I've also sent it.
Let's not doing break time.
This way, it's streaming.
Okay, super.
We all need to go.
That one of yesterday, call.
Yeah.
Hmm? What are the questions there? It's supposed to be. We're supposed to do that one first now.
So in the meeting, a bit of
Okay. Yeah, so that means we forfeit that one of yesterday. All right, so let's look up. So let's do our first quiz this morning. So we want to take our first quiz. The link has been sent to your email address. But if you don't get it, you can just use this link. So click on this link. You can put in your phone, put it on the system. Anyone works. So let's do it for 10 minutes. ASAP, let's do our quiz today for 10 minutes. Remember, these are things that form your scoreboard. So if you don't do it, it is not affecting just you, it's affecting your team. So it is important that you do this. Go to your browser, go to your phone browser or system browser and type in this address. Or you can go to your email and then click on the link from your email address. And then you attempt the question for 10 minutes. Simple questions. Very simple. You have just 10 minutes to answer the questions. And just instead of going, let me just show you an easier way. Want to do the quiz?
Small.
Okay.
Small.
Yes. Yes.
Because it is small. Perfect.
So click to start. Are we on it? Are we on it? Who have not started the quiz? Who is there to start the quiz? What's up? Are you not in the quiz? Are you not in the quiz? On your phone or on your system, which one? Okay. And go to your browser now. Hmm? Yeah, just go to your browser. Stay with them. Maybe what's happening to you? There's no internet. Connect with the internet. Or you can use this one. Have you done it? Eh? Have you done it to your own? Is this one? Have you done it here? Hmm? How about this one? This one not working. It's not working. I think the internet is clear. This one is connected now. Let's see. Are we done? Are we done? Now, it's not that difficult now. How many people have submitted? Hmm? 4. That's low. Have you guys done the quizzes?
Yes.
You've done the quiz. You've done the quiz. And you submitted. Christy, have you done it? Why? Have you done it? Why? You people offend MTN or what's the internet? The MTN. People offended MTN here. Why is it not going? Okay, let me see. I think you are doing something wrong. Okay. You already on it, have you? Have you done it? Yeah. Have you done the quiz? I'm still on it. Have you done the quiz? Have you done the quiz? Why is someone sleeping? What's happening? Are you fine? Huh? Huh? Are you fine? Maybe you go to the clinic or something. Or the staff. Okay. Sorry. Have you done it? Have you done it? The quiz. You submitted. If I check your name, what's your name? Eh? Muba. You Buba. I'll go and check. If I don't see your name, I'll go. Okay. Buba, I've seen your name. Why are we taking time? The questions are cheap questions now. Mister. See me, sir. The questions are cheap questions. Why are we taking time? Yes, it's done by itself. Eh? Joseph, what happened to it? Oh, that's where you could not finish. Okay, yeah. But you finished the other ones now. Yeah, if you want to view, if it's possible to view. Hmm? I hear you.
I said I'm playing hide and I'm playing like a shark, so this I've never.
You're playing on a seek with Nisa. Have you done it? You submitted the quiz. Have you submitted the quiz? What's your name? Eh? Faitizo. Fati. Tizo. I'll go and check. How do you allow them to see results? So let me check some. What happened? It's selecting wrong answer.
No, it's any message.
Need to review. No. Hey, look on that need to review. Let's see. What is it? Why is it showing? Look at that need to review. Let's. I guess it's the one they missed that to show need review on. No, it's not. I said let's do doing book. Are you able to do the test? You should do the test now. Just use the link you are seeing there. Hmm? You will do it during break. You will give your way during break, but now do the quiz. This is showing them as anonymous. You check it later. Hmm?
Uncle, I found this.
Ah. Hmm?
I added you as school. I added your email as school in our computer. Let me see so that I can get it.
And you can do from the system.
Can you log on to the phone?
Is this from my, you sent to my Gmail, Abby?
Yeah, yeah. Just log on to the computer. Just
That's my phone. My phone is real now, Joseph. I need to charge phone service now. Yeah, the hallowed one. Yeah, the holy one.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Ah, Melissa did wiggle, 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 wiggle. Stanley is not strong, man. Let me connect on my phone. Let me connect to Stanley.
I did do wiggle, wiggle again.
Ah, do you like it?
No.
Ah, tell mommy to stop doing wiggle, wiggle. When I can sign with a personal account. Or
You you can sell me with that the account.
It's good.
Ah, tell mommy to stop doing wiggle, wiggle, though. Okay, so just log in with it. Let's move on. No, there's not a ticket. Log the system in. Log the system in. No, not for. They look for you. Just put your pen. So let's are we all done? Are we all done? So let's push on. Let's open one of the files Joseph sent to us this morning. Basic Excel text. So open that file up. That file Joseph sent, basic Excel text functions. Yes. Text and basic functions practice 5. The one is sent this morning that you downloaded this morning. The one that was sent this morning. Basic Excel function. Basic Excel text function. So open that file up. Hmm? You want to? You want to sing? Can you sing? Sing, let me hear. Jesus, yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Sing on that one. Sing on that one. Yes, yes, yes.
Mommy. Come and hide for your mommy. Come and hide here for your mommy.
Is it this? The answer is already in. Where's it?
You should be open. Go to your
Use no text and basic functions.
ticket, no people. Just open the house. The file. I open it.
Okay.
This one, she told you.
Have you opened it? Okay, is this one as the conditional? This one is the conditional. There's no file that has the train proper. Those ones. I think will not work here now. I think will not work here.
You can just add this space.
Hmm?
You can
But if you send the file to them now, can't be adding space. If I have space here, it will not be on the admin. I want to take them on conditional yet. So I don't scatter their.
first them.
It doesn't work. Why would I do it? Okay, we'll now do concatenate. Okay. Are we done? Are we done? So let's just say we can do something quickly. It's not like the file we used yesterday anyway. So even if you don't have access to the one today, you can open that one we did yesterday. Honor the task too. So we'll not get the first name. We are not getting the first name. We are not getting the last name. I want us to do something different. I want us to looking at that full name. I want us to put it in an uppercase. I mean, so put it in uppercase, and then the other one would be put in lowercase. Yeah. So put the first name to be more like in uppercase. The last name will be in lowercase. So talk. Let's talk. What should we hear? So basically, let's do something. Let's add two more columns to this. We all can add two more columns, Abi. So let's add two more columns. At this email, so add two more columns. Add another column. So add 2 more columns. Call this one upper. I'll call this one up. Okay, call this one uppercase. Are we together? Are we together? So call this uppercase. Call this lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Have we done it? Huh? What's stopping you from doing it? We are doing now. You know, add. I said add a column. It's fine. Just add a column. Add 2 columns. Use the search to add a column. Also, how is it? Close and open it again. It's not even closing. Have we done it? Are we good? So let's say we can convert this angry heart to uppercase, and then we can convert it to lowercase. I mean the names. So what's the function to convert to uppercase? I mentioned it yesterday. So the answer is upper. So just do equals to. So you can see, if you do upper now, it converts a text string to all uppercase letters. That's what it does. Are we together? Are we sure we are together? These people here, are you lost? Guys, are you lost? Huh? These are not even responding. Are you lost? Huh? You are lost. And you didn't call me. I was asking. Where are you lost? So I said put the function equals to upper. Have you done it? Have the main. I used the file from yesterday. You don't have that too. Why do you not have the main? Who has the mail on his system or the file on his or phone? I mean, you have the file on your phone. You have it on your phone. Please, can you give him so he can get the file from your phone to his system? Use a code or something. Yeah, Bluetooth. It's the same as the Bluetooth. You can get, is it not USB? Type C, you can get USB Type C now. Who has Type C USB? Type C charger. Okay. She has a Type C charger. She has, so you can get one from her. Are we good? Are we good? We're good. So now I said do equals to upper. And upper is asking for what? Text. So it's asking now what text am I converting to uppercase? So what will be the text? And the heart. So I'll come back here and I'll just click on this and your heart, and I will close my brackets, press enter. It's that simple. It is that simple. Have you all done it? Can I see how simple it is? So simple. So do the lowercase. Do the lowercase. Do the lowercase. Have you done the lowercase? Have you all done the lowercase? Easy too, have you? So you guys, you can now start saying you are good with Excel too. If you have to rate yourself in Excel now, what would you get yourself? 5. You're now becoming a Google 5. 7. Remember I was saying 7. Even me, I'm still like 3 in Excel or 2. So have we done it? So I'll just come here, do equals to lower. So you can say convert everything to lowercase, the other one converts to uppercase. So it depends on what you want to do. Once to tell me another way of doing this instead of using upper or lower. Which other way do you think we can use to do this without using upper or lower? What other way can we get these things done without using upper or lower? Exactly, flash fill. Joseph, 20 points for him. So I said yesterday, flash fill will do this thing for you. Flash fill. You didn't say it. I didn't hear you. So I said yesterday that something like this, I think flash will do for you. Type in the first example, and then do Control E to get it for you. Do you remember? So this is something flash fill can do for you too. But at the same time, this is another function that can do it. So now let's do something else. Let's go to this first name and last name. Let's use flash fill to get it. So use flash fill to get it. And then this. So let's do it quickly. Let's do this too. Let's get the first and last name quickly with flash fill. Maybe I'll come back from break. I'll show you how to get the first name yesterday. I'll show you how to get the last name also without using flash fill. Because there are some systems or Excels that will not have flash fill. Your own has learned. Your own has learned very well. So let's quickly do that. Let's do that quickly. I finished it. I do your last name. Okay.
This doesn't have 3 names.
Yeah. So this kind of person now, like I said, most times.
Which name has family?
Yeah?
No, his flashlight.
Okay. Most times it doesn't learn with the when it's this names is different from this other ones.
Yeah.
It's just picking this last name, so you have to make it learn again. How do I press it? Press leave and now, so you can see it would reflect. And so it depends on the name you want to put. If there is any other third name now, like give this one
Junior.
now.
Willis Logan Jr.
So you want it to include Junior.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you make it have junior dot. So if there's another one that has, if I come here now and then I change this one to senior dot. So you can see it has also affected it. So you need to give me more example when there's a third name. So that's why I always say, always check. It's not 100% at times, always check it. So yeah, just type the name, Alexander.
It's Andrew.
Okay, is it Andrew? Then now do Control and E. So do the last name yourself. Enter. Good. That's it. No, you are not in this class. I'm not in this class. As I said, okay, let's just do this one. So just do this one. Use flash, you just do, and you want to get the first name out. If you do, and if you type Andrew now, then just do Control E to get all the names out for you. So do something for the last name. Type the last name. It should be Arts. Yeah, the last name. Enter. Let's go to the next row. So do Control E. Yeah. Huh? I created columns. I said we should create columns. Start columns. Just come in. So call this one upper, call that one lowercase. So now use the so now do if the upper function. So if you upper function is to get uppercase.
That's why I say we are not in this.
You're not so. You are not. So you equals to upper, and then you just hit this. To convert everything to uppercase. Yeah. So do that yourself. Are we together? So now let's do something. We've gotten the first name and the last name outside. I mean, separately. So what to do is another function to combine them. Can tell me what function can we use to combine things in Excel? Combine things in Excel. What function? We want to combine things in Excel. What function can we use? Huh? Some will not combine, some will add. Want to combine. Join. That's SQL. It's not in Excel. Combine, combine it. Thank you. Concatenate. You said 20 points. Concatenate. So concatenate is the function. So concatenate is now becoming extinct. There's a new one called concat. So, but I will show you how to use that. So concatenate to join things. Concatenate or concat. That's what I used to join things in Excel. So let's look at it. So under this email, we can just call it maybe, but let's leave it as email anyway. We can change it to something like full name or something. So we can change that column to full name. So we want to get their full name. Are we together? Are we together? Do you understand what we want to do? Do you understand what we want to do? We want to combine this first name and the last name. Maybe, like I said, it's not every system that would have this flash field is on 2016 and above. Probably the Excel you would be having would be 2013, 2007. Can't use flash fill on it. That's why I'm showing you this method. Are we together? Of course, flash fill will have done this thing for you, and you will go. But it's not every Excel that you would have this 2016 that would have flash fill. 2016 would have flash fill, 2019 would have, 2020, okay, 665 would have. But 2007, 2010, 2030 will not have flash fill. As I'm showing you all these things so that you can know how to use it if flash fill is not working. So I'll do equals to concatenate or concat anyone. So if you look at this concat now, still concatenate, there's a small danger sign or a warning sign to tell you that it's going to go out of Excel. So it's an old way, it's going to go out of Excel soon. But if you have older version of Excel, concat will not be there. All you have is concatenate. So it works the same way. So concatenate, concat works the same way. So I'll say I can use concatenate to concatenate. Are we together? Are we together? So concatenate, and then I'll come here and say what are we concatenating? The first name and you. That's text 1. Clear? Then I'll do comma to go to the text 2. And then I will click on at here as text 2. Are we together? Once you click on the first name, text 1, click on Andrew. Have we done that? Huh? So put comma to go to the next one, which is text 2. Text 2 will be at text 2. At the surname. Are we together? The last name will be the text 2. So I'll just click on at. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, at is the text 2. Just go and click on at. See at here, just click on at here. Are we good? Are we good? So close it, close the brackets. And then press enter. Oh, what's happening? Okay. Okay. Let me just concat. Okay, because we used flash fill for that one, so use concat. So flash fill is a new function, and concatenate is an old function, so it's not seen. So use concat instead of concatenate. So instead of concatenate, use concat, but they work the same way anyway. So if concat is not your own system at home, you can use concatenate. It works the same way. Let me do that again. So let me do it again. So I will say equals to concat. Are we together? So concat text 1 will be what? Andrew. Are we together? Comma. Text 2 will now be heart. So I'll close it and then press enter. Then it will work. Huh? But there's no space, Abby. Because did we specify space? We did not. So how can we specify space? So I'll come back to my formula. Before this last name, I'll put space. How did I say we put space yesterday in Excel? Quotation mark, Exactly. So you put quotation mark, space, close the quotation mark, and then do comma again. So quotation mark, space, close the quotation mark, comma, and press enter. That's worked, Abi. Okay.
I use it works properly
Okay.
with the space and everything.
Okay.
So why does the other one? Why do you have to specify space for it to work?
It just worked without the space.
Then this last name, I tried using the function we used yesterday for the first name. I used right instead of left
Mm.
and entered the command. But when it appeared with the last two letters of the first name.
Because left now, left is able to see space, but right now there's no space to the right, so it's going to read back. So that way, it's not going to be able to find the space. But there's a way. I will show you when we come back from break. There's a way you can use right, and then to still be dynamic, just the way left is, but it will be a different way from how we used left. I'll show us during the break. For a concatenate that works with the space, I'm a bit not sure how it works, except there's a space somewhere here.
There's no space in
No, in this angle, maybe there's space there. Okay, you already ended. Yeah, there'll be space here. So I copy this now to be sure of what I'm saying.
there's space.
And there's
This
space in
system
here.
doesn't write. That's what I'm saying. Doesn't write.
If you look at this angle now, you can see that there's space at the end there. That's so. Yeah. Sorry.
Which of the functions did I make it?
Use concat. Use concat.
How do I get a first name and the last name?
Just type and do enter. Control E. Oh, this is the older version of Excel I'm talking about. So let me see. This is the old version. This must be 2007 or so. It does not have flash rate. That's what I'm saying, that there are some older version of Excel. That you cannot have. How do I? So it's 2007. 2007. It's not even, I can't even see. Okay, so 27, about to get 27. It's 2007, not even 2017. So I said flash rate starts from 2016 upwards. So it will not work. I have to get Excel maybe 2016, or if you want to do something like this now, since this would not work, just to left. Left, and then this, comma, find comma. So, but maybe after the book, I'll show you how to get the last name too, and then I'll show you after the book. So when you do the full name, last name, then you can now do the full name. You now use this concatenate.
What I mean is
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. After the book, I will show everybody how to get the last name, so you can use that to get the last name. And just hold on. Hey. Are we together? Are we together? So has it worked for everybody? Did it work for everybody? the spacing and every other thing. Huh? So there are times if you may not even want to add space, maybe you want to add hyphen. So the same way we add quotation, space bar, instead of that space bar, you put hyphen. That's the quotation. So you do get, maybe instead of this Andrew space, it can be Andrew hyphen heart. Do you get? So instead of you putting space, just instead of that space bar, put hyphen. Instead of that quotation. That's the only change. Or whatever it is you want to add to it, just put it inside quotation and then, so that's how it works. We need to go on break now. So I can come back by 1:35, because this is 1:05. So come by 1:35 and then we'll continue the session together. Huh? 1:35, yeah. This is 30 minutes. Ah, man. We need water. Your water is there. That is to start. When you 30 marks,
Yeah,
how?
I'll come with my daughter's vacation tomorrow. Don't worry. She when I want to see you, the next year.
Ah,
I will come with
it's
my
people are here
vacation.
that give marks to. Before shout.
I need to shout.
You don't go get
Even
marks,
shout,
you need to
I
shout.
tell you, yeah,
But Namisa did something for us, so you know, like, you know, go shout.
Hmm.
Yes.
I mean, don't worry. I have nothing. I came with her chicken today. Maybe I will add you.
Okay. Sorry. Yes, sir.
No mind this.
This one are special students.
I beg. They have many tax on their head.
Uh,
The function is correct, right?
let me
You
see.
said we should use concatenate.
Yeah, so close it. Let's see.
Close the bracket. See. Okay, we're supposed to close the bracket.
Yeah. But there's supposed to, you
But
need
it's
to, if you want to put space, I'll now say, do like this. Quotation, space bar, close quotation, comma again.
Have you get the point?
You got the formula, you got the formula before. So all you just need to do is to close the bracket.
okay. Then
So press enter. Now, if you press enter, it will not, because if you specify space, it will not put space. So you want to put space in Excel, you put inside a quotation. So I put quotation mark, and I press space bar to say space, close the quotation mark, and I put comma when I enter. That's all. So you can do it to be sure you know how to do it. Do it yourself. Yes, the Google form yesterday. You filled it. And just if you can't find your name on the screen, did you see your name? Put your name here. Put your name there. It doesn't matter which. Check it. As well. Yes. Well done. I was looking at you. Well, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Well done.
First, from yesterday.
Have you done it now? Have you done it? Okay. Oh, that's all.
Are we coming tomorrow?
Yes, we are coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow you can say
Yeah, after tomorrow, now on the 4th. Mm. No, Allah. No, Allah.
From lower middle class family, you'll notice a consistent pattern. Their stories. It always goes this way. The father wanted money, right? Had a good job, his business was doing well, everything was working. And as a result, he was taking care of the family, spoiling the kid, getting them stuff. And suddenly, money. Oh, challenge. Challenge, oh yeah, the challenge accepted, challenge accepted, challenge accepted. Come on in! Why do you think you can be a better match for her? Previously in the old video, like I heard her say she's Nigerian and she's Igbo, right? Well, what state are you from? Oh, same as Igbo. Not bad. It's not looking good, babe. This guy is reasoning in a different language. He can't even whack it. Oh! Yeah, I understand Igbo very well. Bro, when you give each other one. So right now, because he want to give my man will even first. But like, what you got? Let me know. Talk to me. I didn't want to know about you. My man will be first. Translate this. For the first time. Going to make this.
This can quickly come up with that twin proper 5.
you want to marry as a man, there are qualities you must look out for in a woman. One of it here, let me tell you as a man, one of your needs is peace of mind. You don't just want peace of mind, you need peace of mind. So it's a big difference. Women don't need peace of mind. The women want it, but they don't need it. I will explain. But for you as a man, you need. The reason I'm saying is that the way your brain is wired, you can't function in chaos. The woman on the other hand, her brain is like turbo engine. She uses two sides of her brain all the time. So for her, more stress, stress. Many people don't know this. The way woman's brain functions, sometimes the brain stresses her. Most men don't know that sometimes women wake up tired. If you're right, the brain must keep going around, checking things in the market, checking what they're doing. Your woman's brain is very active. What if they marry anything of the woman, that's easy, don't know. Your one brain is with you, depending on what's going around the house. For you as a man, on the other hand, your brain is one track. You can do one thing well, and it needs total serenity and peace. It needs total serenity and peace. That's why it's like a intense human. During and after sex. That's why the man want to have a serious argument. The man's default is to leave the place. Wants to leave because he can't control that emotional stress. He wants to leave. Usually, if you don't allow him to leave, there's a high chance of losing about it because most people when it's like to leave, she has capacity. So this point, so the thing about stress for her is not stress. As a man, you need peace of mind. Why? So you bring up. Stay next to you, just watching time go by. How long it takes, you know I'm down for the ride. Maybe you know I'm gonna be extra mile all for you, baby. But darling, you will make me feel like I'm in. And I got you too. I got no one else, baby. Baby, I'm here for you. Anything you want, let me show for you.
They what? You've okay.
Yeah, something.
I want to just see the sheet. You should add this thing. I can add it. Need to resonate. What? Which man? Which man?
Was it part of the program?
Well, can have an evaluation from anywhere. It doesn't change anything. It change anything.
tutorial, I'm going to show you some more examples of how to separate them into find integer function. Then if we put 5 on the left and minus 1 on one of it, and 5 on open the image, and then burn this out. And I will like everything.